Welcome. Today you're going to learn how to transfer your list from Mailchimp into your Mailblaze account. To transfer your list from Mailchimp, all you need is your access to your Mailchimp account, Microsoft Excel or Google Sheets, and access to your Mailblaze account. The first thing we need to do is to log into your Mailchimp account. Once you've logged in, we need to click on Audience, then click All Contacts. If you have more than one audience, click the Current Audience drop-down and choose the one you want to transfer. In our example here, we only have one list. Now we need to click on Export Audience. After the export loads, tick on the selected list and click on Export as CSV to download the file to your computer. Once exported, you will find the zip file that contains the clean list, subscribed, and unsubscribed lists. All unsubscribed must be uploaded to your Mailblaze blacklisted email addresses to avoid sending further emails to them. To do this, open the unsubscribed list and replace the email address column with email in the first row. Now you should add another column and name it Reason. In the next rows next to the email addresses, type unsubscribed. Click on File and save it as a CSV, comma delimited file. Once saved, log into your Mailblaze account. Now we'll click on the List menu item and click on Blacklist. Click on Action, then click on Import. In the dialog box or pop-up screen, click on Browse and then choose the unsubscribed file you have prepared and then click on Start Import. Once you've done this, you will follow the same steps on the clean list. Clean contacts have email addresses that have hard bounced or repeatedly soft bounced and are considered invalid. You will want to add these contacts to the blacklist as well. Lastly, you will import your subscribed members to your account. If you have already created the list, you can go ahead and add this to your list. Click on List on the top navigation menu, then click on List again and choose the list name. Usually when you export the file from your Mailchimp account, there are unnecessary columns that can be removed. The file generally contains email addresses as a header label. Please rename this so that it just says email. Delete any additional column you don't need and leave the email, first name column, last name column, opt-in, and confirmed details. Save your file as CSV, comma delimited, and then you can go ahead and import it to your Mailblaze list. It's important that the subscribed members file is saved as a CSV, comma delimited file. Now, we can go ahead and upload our subscribers to our list by clicking on Create New. Then click on Import Subscribers. Click on CSV File and browse from your local computer and upload your subscribers. Click on Continue, and the system will match the columns that are in your file. The file you uploaded contains the email, first name, and last name. If there are fields other than these, you'll have to match them in your list field. If you're happy with the matching, you could just click on the Continue button. After you have uploaded the file, the summary upload can be seen on the screen. You will see the total records processed, successful, added, updated, and issues. The summary of issues will be available below the summary screen. You will see if your list has any duplicate email addresses on it or emails that were not valid. You're now ready to send out your first campaign. That's how easy it is to transfer your list from Mailchimp to Mailblaze. Thank you for supporting Mailblaze and learning more about how to use our platform. We want to help you grow, so if you get stuck at any point in time, please reach out to our support team via chat or by emailing support@mailblaze.com.